Hey guys, so I'm en route to Chicago. My girl Aparna, my boy Shanku, #1 fan back there.
I'm saying.
From day one, that's probably just like yesterday. He probably just started watching it. I got another boy joining in very soon, but you know, 24 hours, yeah, within 24 hours. But yeah, super tired. The day started at 6:30, but we didn't get to leave Toronto until what, 9:30, 10 o'clock. We're just passing Mississauga right now. For those of you that don't live in Toronto, you guys probably don't have any idea what I'm talking about. But anyways, we are en route to Chicago, so that's what's exciting. So I will see you guys there.
I'm single.
Alright, we are touchdown in Chicago. Check this out. Look at that crazy traffic, you guys. That's rush hour traffic. Over there. Over there. Well, we still got about 20 minutes to go, it looks like, to get to our Airbnb. It's quite the drive. My back is killing me, but our snacks really helped, and the music really helped. And there we got the skyline of Chicago. I don't know how clearly you can actually see that, but we're here. So we have settled into our Airbnb, and it's actually a really cute spot. I'm just gonna take you around. We've already made a pretty big mess while we're here. This fat ass is like chilling here. Here's my luggage just chilling over here. But look at this cute little spot. Isn't this really cute? We got cute little bedroom here. Oh my god, I can't even with this guy. Look at this yoga chart. Isn't it cool?
Do yoga.
I'll do yoga.
The only yoga I do is in the water.
And cute little kitchen spot. We got the washroom here. I mean, obviously, why do you guys care about this stuff? And then we got another bedroom over here. Pretty cool stuff. Anyways, we just got really lazy and we've just been laying on the couch. But we shall get ready soon because it's 8:24 now and we need to get some dinner in our bellies. We're gonna be going to this Mexican spot. Okay.
All right, Kira.
So I just changed to go to dinner, and clearly I did not iron this. I like to keep very clean, so I like to fold my clothes and put it away. Unlike boys here, boys that never clean and never. Yeah, that boy right there. Is it even blurry? Is it even like focused in right now?
Yeah.
It looks blurry.
It looked blurry. We're gonna remove it, right? You can't be talking to vlogs like that, bro.
Okay. I'm just making sure you know what you're doing.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Alright, I'm gonna put that stuff away. I need to get my makeup out. My makeup right here. My lovely makeup.
That's what she uses for Halloween too.
Ta-da, Sephora.
So what are your favorite, or what are your go-to makeup?
Okay, to be honest, I am like super cheap, so
yeah.
I get to, you know, use some of the super cheapest things possible. I go to Sephora and then I'll be like, yo, can you like show me how to do this? Because I don't know how to do makeup at all. And then they'll show me how to do it, and then they'll do like the, you know, some really fancy stuff like Fenty Beauty and shit. And they're like, yeah, this is only $80. I'm like, yeah, you have a cheaper version. You're like, who the fuck can afford $80?
So any makeup techniques you have for your viewers?
Okay, people ask me this all the time. They're like, yo, you're so good at makeup, can you teach me? And I'm like, do you even know who I am? I'm like, look at the shit I use. Look at the shit I use. This is not real makeup stuff, okay? This is like some real, I
Show what you got.
this. I haven't even cleaned this in the longest time.
Oh my god, you need to put that in a laundry machine.
Okay, so like, I'll do some basic stuff, guys. Really basic. You can walk through, man.
Hey, how's it going?
This girl's running to get ready.
Don't mind us, we're just vlogging.
Okay, so I use the Sephora non-grass oil-free matte 35, matte tan 35. I don't know, I don't know what the fuck it's called, okay? This is what I use. This is my foundation. But before I use my foundation, I make sure to put on some.
There you go, you guys. That's what she uses.
That's what I use right there. Oh, this is my deodorant. If you want to know.
Which doesn't work.
I like deodorant. This is a spray-on one, which makes it really easy, and then it's like also like dry spray, so it doesn't get on your clothes after, which is a great idea. Anyway, so before I put my foundation on, I use the Sephora color corrector. This is the Bright Future one.
So let me ask you something.
Yeah.
Do you want to do a video for your viewers of you putting makeup on yourself?
I mean, if you guys want to watch this, fine, but...
Guys, put some comments down below.
Alright, come on guys.
Ask Kiru if you want to see a video of her putting on makeup.
First of all, can someone show me how to like iron this? Because
yeah, please. We need a sponsor for iron.
Okay, so as you can see, very, very basic shit. So I start off with my, over here. I start off with my color corrector, then I do my foundation, and then I work on my eyes. Maybe that's not how you're supposed to do it. Like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist. And see what I'm using? Like L'Oreal. Like this is like basic shopper stuff, you know what I mean? That's what I'm using for my eyes. And then I go with my eyeliner, which I really like using the liquid one. This is this one here, but you know, anything works. Then I do my eyebrows with the NYX. Sometimes I do it with this, and sometimes I just do it with brown eyeshadow, because that's how ghetto I am. And then I use my blush brush. This is the palette that I got recently, which I'm loving. Great, great, great colors here. I can actually contour my face with that and highlight with this as well, so it works perfectly. And then I use this thing, concealer to, you know, cover up whatever I need to cover up. My eyeliner, my mascaras, sometimes I choose between the two, sometimes I use both. And this one, this is a really cool toy here, because this toy, I have these tiny little hairs on my sideburns, or whatever it's called. So I quickly just brush it up with this, and it's so much better than paying like $2 if you're in Scarborough, or like $10 if you're in downtown. Like, it's pretty ridiculous. So I just use this, and you know, it works just fine. So I'm gonna get my makeup and my face done, and then I will see you guys soon. But if you guys ever want to see me doing my makeup, which I really highly suggest you don't, because there's tons of great makeup artists that you guys can follow. But if you ever want to see how a newbie, you know, someone that doesn't know anything about makeup doing, then you can let me know and I will show you guys. Basic shit. This takes me 10 minutes most. Makeup artists take over an hour to do it because they perfect it, but you know, basic shit. What's up guys? Our first night out in Chicago. I am so excited. I didn't do my hair, but whatever. Anyways, we are on our way to Taquera Los Pamolas or some shit like that. I don't know. Do I look like I speak Mexican to you? What is it? Spanish? Spanish? Anyways, check out the scene. Don't get run over by a car.
Gang, gang.
I mean,
Kiru gang. Kiru's Corner, subscribe, link down below. You know what I'm saying?
Pretty safe neighborhood though, right guys?
Hopefully.
Like, I feel like having
So,
a fire department right here.
We got a nice fire department, all
I
safe,
feel a little safe with the fire
ready to
department
go.
around here.
We got a
Look,
bunch
there's
of kids.
At like 10 o'clock at night. Weather is so nice out here, you guys. This is beautiful. It was the best time to come.
Check this view out right now.
Probably gonna take you here. El Salvador. You guys, you need to take a look at this menu, because I have never seen anything this cheap before. I mean, taking into consideration it is US dollars, so when we convert it, it is a little bit more expensive, but I still think it's worth it.
Some awesome Mexican. Look at that. You see that grease? That's authentic grease right there.
Authentic grease. Take a big bite. Oh, look at that.
That's what a 3-year-old eats.
Oh, it's so cute. This is my meal. My beautiful meal. So messy.
God. Look at that butt.
That's juice.
Nah, that's some quality food.
So,
How's your burrito?
can we do this the entire trip? Let's do the girl that does
Rate
this
it.
the whole
A
time.
scale out of 10. Can you rate it?
8.5.
8.5. That's pretty good. How's that chocolate milk, bro?
Yo,
Solid 10.
this is so good. So cheesy.
You know what's better?
I'm gonna try these sauces though. I make your sauce, bro.
Oh, you just sauce.
Right in there.
Go bigger. Oh.
Sauce all the way. Sauce all the way. Alright, let's do this.
It wasn't messy before, it is now.
That's how you eat a taco. It's good. It's a kick, isn't it?
Really kicking me.